my friends on YouTube, right, I've made one bottle. This is Mary Mint flavoured vodka. And you've got to try it to believe it, people. It is fucking beautiful. I'll show you how to do it. I will show you how to do it. I've only done it myself for the first time. I've been told many times, but never actually done it. Right, get a good blender. You want one with a decent blade on. Still got some remnants of Mary Mint left in there from the last one. So, good blender. 5-star blade with one of them, look. Tells you that it's capable of crushing ice cubes. That means that will fucking crush anything as far as I understand. This one is going to be cough candy. If only you could smell that. I tell you, that's lovely. It smells really good. Now I'm just going to chuck all them in. Yeah. Under the bright studio lights, they've started to melt already. Right, there you go. Cough candy in there. Loads and loads of it. To help it along so that we don't get little bits all up the fucking place. Put boiling hot water in just to sort of melt it a little bit. I don't want to put too much water in. God. I don't put too much water in because that will dilute me alcohol content by the end of the show. And we don't want that now, do we? So anyway, now that's in there. Red hot water, cough candy, thing over there. And let's blitz. Little pulses. Alright. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Oh, that smells fucking wonderful. It smells like cough mixture. Get a decent blender and let it have it all the fucking way. Oh, the smell. Oh, the smell. Go on, stick your nose over there. There's nothing like it, people, I tell you. Nothing like it. Now, personally, I just add the vodka to that, but I think it's a good idea to stick it out in the microwave and heat it up and get it really, really hot. I don't know why. I just think it's a good idea. I did it with the last one, it overflowed and fucking made a mess, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do it with this one. So I might just put the vodka straight in there. What do you think, Spunky? Should we just put the vodka straight in?
Yeah, I reckon.
I reckon as well. So, listen, ladies and gentlemen, Tesco's Value Vodka. This is the UK, United Kingdom. Cheapest shit they've got. Don't use good vodka, because we're adjusting the flavour and we don't want to use good stuff, do we? Why fuck up a really good vodka? Eh?
That I agree.
As with all vodkas, you have to check that they're okay first. I never cook with anything I wouldn't drink. Now you hear the machine there changing different tone. That's because it's getting fucking pissed. Now I'm telling you, motherfuckers, right here is a vodka you can't buy in the shops.
No.
Oh, it's bliss in here, isn't it? Look at it. Yeah. No swearing today from Cherie.
Best behaviour.
So anyway, I think that's just about done. Good thing with this blender is it gets all the bits. It gets all the bits. It don't leave a fucking... It doesn't leave one little bit. That's what I'm saying. Again and again and again. So I think it's time to... Can you hold that spunk in? I'll pour. God, if it tastes anything like it smells, Oh, that's lovely. It's a pink grapefruit. For those of you that are watching in black and white, the blue ball is behind the pink ball. It's a grapefruit colour. Can we see that? If you do this at home and it's a bit cloudy, don't worry about it. Right, let me be guinea pig. Oh, that is just stunning.
Is it to die for?
Oh, my life. That is fucking... Oh, I've got to find out how to label and bottle these bastards. That is heaven. And it takes away the bite of the vodka, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot smoother.
Yeah.
It doesn't kind of kill your throat as much.
Yeah. That is stunning, isn't it? So what I'm really hoping, YouTubers, is if you see I've got an empty bottle here, because I've added some water, what I'm hoping is when I pour that into here, there's going to be enough left over for me to... Thanks for watching, guys. Well, be interested in my old mate Dave and my old mate Mr. TF250, because you like your piss, my old mucker. I was watching you with your apple whiskey the other day. I was fucking watching that and I nearly had a bone on, because I do like me homemade remedies. I love Shine, love Pachin, I love it all. I'm a piss tank, that's why I'm a fat cunt, not because I eat. Guys, try this at home, please, and then come back and tell me what you think of it. Alright, I'll speak to you later. Need anything, let us know. Ta-da.
Ta-da.